아직 꽝시 폭포 가기 전입니다. 네. 와. 물 맑은 거 좀 보소. 에메랄드빛 파란 물인데 물 맑기가 이거는 이루 말할 데 없이. The water is really clear and clean. I can see the bottom of the lake. Wow. Amazing. Wow. The bridge is broken. If the bridge is not broken, we can cross the bridge, but broken. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay, go higher. Yeah.
I think the most beautiful one in the pictures is higher.
Right, exactly. Wow, some people, yeah, they are swimming. Oh, it's possible.
Do you have swimming suit?
No, I didn't bring my swimming suit, and wow,
I wonder if it's cold.
a little cold. Yeah, I agree with you.
Or warm.
It's not hot weather today, so it's not good for swimming, I think. Yeah, deep water, 180 centimeters. People are swimming. Wow. No entry. Yeah, this is the Blue Lagoon. Yeah. Same, yeah. Not Bang Bang, but this is Blue Lagoon, right? Same color of the water. Yeah.
Have you been to Quảng Bình in Vietnam?
Quảng Bình.
Have you been to? No.
No.
It
Quảng
has
Bình.
the world's the biggest caves in the world.
I heard of it.
Sundown.
Yeah.
It has the same
Yeah,
color.
right. I was thinking I will visit there someday. Very famous place. I know. I heard of it. Wow.
You have to register in advance in 2 years, and it's fully booked in 2 years.
In
already.
2 years.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's fully booked
Full book?
in 2 years.
You mean the entrance limitation? No.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Oh. Okay, okay. Hmm.